Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we will be unboxing and reviewing the very famous sunset lamp. If you want to see how this product performs and know what I think about it, then please keep on watching. Alright, so this is the box that it comes in. Hindi naman siya super bad condition, hindi rin siya in perfect shape, but it's fine as long as the product works. So I got this from Shopee a few weeks ago. I got it for 219 pesos. And I'm only going to use it now. I'm only going to try it today. So let's open this up. Okay. Oh, okay. So it has the filters here. I think ilan to? 4 ata to. And then manual. The stand. I got one that's ano lang eh. Pang desk lang to. So maiksi lang siya. This is the stand. This is the parang, I don't know, stick. Parang basta stand siya. Part pa rin siya ng stand. This is still part of the stand. And then here we have the actual light itself. It is quite heavy. And you know what? I really like this because it is USB. Oh, USB yung port niya. Okay, so let's go ahead and assemble this thing. Again, this is the stand. Tapos, ito yung parang, ano. And then you just screw it in like so. And then you get the actual lamp or lamp head and do the same thing. Just screw it in. And that is it. You have your sunset lamp. Now, the cord seems to be pretty long. I don't really need it to be that long. As I've mentioned, this is a desk lamp situation. And I also like how it has a USB port. USB port yung saksakan niya, which means I can just plug this in onto my power bank. I can use my power bank for this. So let's go ahead and try this. I did not put any film inside this. I don't think there's a film inside this just yet. Hold on. To open it, you just unscrew the cap. And then be careful kasi merong ganito. Oh, it does have film inside already. Okay. So let's check out how it looks like without the dazzle films first. Okay, so I already plugged it onto my power bank. Let's go ahead and try to turn this on. Oh, it's very bright. Wow! Oh my gosh. Wait lang, I think I should turn off my ring light for this just for us to see the full effect. Hold on. Okay, so I already turned off my ring light. As you can see, it's so dark. Let's go ahead and try to turn this thing on. Again, with no dazzle film first. Uy! Wow! Oh my gosh! It's so cute! It's so pretty. And this is without any film. Oh, I like it. I like it so much. It's so bright. Uy! I love it. Kapag picture nga, teka, mag-iinarte muna ako. So, I'm going to show you guys all of the dazzle films para makita nyo yung color before you buy it. Okay, TBH, nakakabulag siya. Mas nakakabulag pa siya sa ring light. It's very, very bright. It's such a strong light na ang lit-lit niya naman, ang gaan-gaan niya din. Okay, so let's try this with the dazzle films naman. The first dazzle film that we will be trying is this one. Parang siyang blue iridescent film. Again, turned off my ring light. Let's turn this thing on with the blue dazzle film this time. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, I love it. I love it so much. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda niya. So, the interesting thing is, I put the blue film, diba? Isang color lang naman siya, hindi man siya gradient. But here, it looks like a gradient. As you can see from parang neon pink or red, goes to purple, then blue. Amazing. Amazing, and as usual, wala na naman ako makita. It is very blinding. I cannot see anything. I don't know what I look like on camera because I am blinded, literally. Okay, so this is what the yellow one looks like. Although I can see it that well, I think this one is a bit more subtle in terms of the parang sunset-esque gradient that it creates. But it is a little bit orange on the side. Still very pretty. Medyo nakaka-SpongeBob, but very nice. Yan, yellow. Yellow. Okay, orange dazzle film. This is what it looks like. I feel like I'm on the set of Lion King. Para akong si Simba, ganon. Yeah, orange. Meron pa tayong 2 colors of film. There's a red one and an iridescent pink one, I think. Yan. So I'm going to show you that. And then I'll let you guys know my final thoughts. Kasi makdong-makdo na ako, tea. Yes, red like district ang peg. Martian ka, Mars? This one doesn't look so good with my makeup. Also, it's not as bright kasi out of all the 5 films, this one is the most opaque. Tingnan natin lapit. Ganon. Yan. Pero maganda pa rin siya. It's okay. It just doesn't look good with my makeup. So maybe I'll try this with another look next time. Yeah, but this is the red film. We have one more. Okay, so this is the last one. As I've mentioned, this one is the pink iridescent one. As you can see, there is a gradient once again from yellow to pink on the center. Nakikita nyo ba yung center? Ayan. Pink siya. I don't know if you can tell. Ako, I cannot see anything because I am again blinded. But I feel like it's really pretty. Like me. Char. I love this. Okay, so guys, pahabol. It looks even cooler without the actual lights in the room, as in complete blackout. Mas maganda pala siya. Okay. Okay, I love it. I really love it. My gosh, ang ganda niya. Also, I'm using a felt cloth backdrop here kasi wala akong malaking space. I don't have any wall space na... I don't have any free wall space that's big enough for me to use as a backdrop. So, I got this instead. This is a white felt cloth backdrop. I just have it clipped on my makeup shelf. And it really works. It works naman. Okay lang. Carry. I like this. Pretty. Okay, now that I've regained my eyesight, let's go ahead and talk about this. I really love it. For 219 pesos, it's so worth it. Ayun lang siya. Tapos, it doesn't take a lot of space. It's so small. It's so light. You can bring this anywhere with you. So, for example, if you're going somewhere and you want nice photos, you can definitely take this along with you. Also, if you don't want to bring it like this, you can just detach it from its parts and just put inside your bag. Also, the cord is pretty long. Parang 2 meters long ata siya. 2 meters ba? Or 1.5 meters long. Which is pretty long, especially for a desk lamp like this one. Also, again, USB siya. You can use it on your power bank. Or just use one of these things. It's very simple. Also, they do have a few options of this one. Meron silang, I think there are also options wherein they're remote control powered. Meron sa naka-remote control. Tapos, I don't think those come with a film anymore. Since there's a remote control, parang automatic na siya. Just click what color you like. But for me, this is fine. The one with the remote control has 25 colors or 24 colors. And it's around 400 plus. This one is half the price, and actually, I'm pretty happy with it already. Ay, nako. Also, there is an option. Another option is that you can get one that is longer than this, or parang you can also buy just a few more of these things, yung parang mismong shaft or body niya, just to make it a bit longer. I think I'm going to do that because I think it's really going to look cool sa background ko. Let me check. Okay, so sample lang. Sample lang, I know it looks stupid right now, but see, it could work as one of those things. Yung parang backlight situation. Although I do have a backlight here. I also got this one from Shopee. Yan. Pero this could be a fun, ano lang. This one also has free films, pero walang iridescent. So, mas cute to. But yeah. And also, I noticed, just now So, pagka-closer siyang ganyan, of course, the light is more opaque and smaller. But as you pull it further from the backdrop, it just gets cooler and cooler. I love it so much! Meron siyang, it does have a control button of some sort. But it's just an on and off button. It's just a power button. Wala siyang adjustment in terms of the brightness. But, yeah. I really love this. I'm going to have it linked in the description box below. So, go ahead and check that out. Ako, personally, this was 219 pesos. And then, nag-redeem ako ng coins. And then, nag-free shipping ako. And then, ang ending, I got it for 160 pesos lang. Ganun. Super worth it. I really love this lamp. I don't think I'm going to get the one with the 25 colors. I'm not sure yet. But, for now, this is really fine with me. Pwede na ako mag-inerte dyan. Out of all the 5 free films, my favorite ones are the blue one and the pink one. So, yung first at saka last. I also like it na walang film. It's really, bright. Like a diamond. And I guess that's pretty much it for this review. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you haven't. All of my social media handles will be listed down below, so go ahead and check that out if you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you all on my next video.